Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nilakhi. So today's video is part 3 of my series Wardrobe Essentials. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, please go back and watch them. I will also link them in the description box. So today's video is part 3, which is about outerwear. So I will be listing down 5 types of outerwear every girl should own, and I'm only taking into consideration Indian weather. That's why I'm not going to include any trench coats or overcoats because I don't believe they are essentials for Indian weather. I do not own them. And if you like trench coats and overcoats, you can definitely go and purchase them. But this is my 5 most essential outerwear. So let's get started. So the first one is a denim jacket. A denim jacket is an absolute must for girls as well as boys because they look so trendy and they are so comfortable. So you don't really need to do much if you wear a denim jacket. I'm just wearing a pair of simple leggings and a white tee. I've just folded the sleeves and I'm wearing these Converse shoes. So they look really trendy, and a denim jacket is so versatile. You can wear it with shorts, skirts, even on dresses. They look very nice. And denim on denim is another good look. You can wear a denim jacket and denim jeans, and it is a very good look. So please invest on a good denim jacket. I know Zara has some good quality denim jackets. Even H&M has good quality oversized ones. The one I am wearing is from People, and I got this about 2 years ago, and it is as good as new. It is, I don't know, I think it will last for another 4 to 5 years. But I also have 2 more denim jackets. One is a little cropped one, which I wear with little fitted dresses, with mini dresses. They look really nice. And the third one is a very oversized one. So if I want to layer clothes, then I wear the oversized denim jacket. So denim jackets are a must, guys. Please get one nice denim jacket and you are sorted for the winters. So my second favorite type of outerwear is a leather jacket or a moto jacket. So the one I am wearing, this is from Zara, and I got it I think 3 years ago from Zara Delhi. It is still as good as new. So please invest on a good leather jacket. If you are planning to buy one right now, please go for an oversized version. So an oversized moto jacket is really in right now. Also, you can really wear this with all kinds of clothes. You can also wear it on a dress. A moto jacket on a dress looks very chic. So it completely changes your look. Be very careful when you buy it. Make sure the quality is good and it's an original leather, because if you buy a fake leather, it won't last you that long, and these are mostly very expensive. So if you're investing on a leather jacket, please make sure they are original, because we don't want to spend such an amount of money for something which is fake and which will not last you more than a year. So this is my second favorite. Please get one leather jacket. So the third one is a good knitted sweater or a jumper. I like it in high neck for the colder months. So this looks really flattering. If you're wearing this with a high-waisted jeans, just tuck this in and it gives a good definition to your waist, and it is also very warm. So during the colder months when the denim jacket will not be enough for you, go for this. It looks very nice. It is in black, that you can wear it with any colors. So you don't have to invest on any other sweater as such. So you can just have one and you can wear it with all kinds of clothes. So this is the third one you must purchase. So get this one. This is from H&M. I'm sure they might have similar ones available. If I find the link, I will link it in the description box. So please get this one.
So the next essential according to me is a cardigan. So here I am wearing this cardigan from H&M, and this is my favorite cardigan, and I'm also wearing the same cardigan in the introduction clip. So cardigans basically are really in right now. I see so many celebrities wearing cardigans and rocking them with jeans, with skirts. Cardigans can also be worn as a top, so they are very versatile. Even if you do not wear western and you like Indian wear, a cardigan can be worn with a kurti as well. So it is a very useful piece, guys. So please go get yourself a good cardigan, whether cropped or a traditional one, that is your call, but please get yourself one good cardigan. Last but not the least, fifth most essential outerwear is a blazer. A blazer is such a versatile piece, you guys. You can wear it as a casual wear or a formal wear. If you're wearing a blazer with a nice pair of jeans and sneakers, they look very casual. But if you wear a blazer with a nice fitted, tailored pair of trousers, you can wear it as formals. So a blazer is a timeless piece and you should definitely invest on a good blazer. So these are my 5 most essential outerwear every girl should own. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So till I meet you again, bye.